what if the most creative project you make this year is already hanging in your closet? Today, I'm sharing 50 plus ideas for upcycling clothes, and some of these transformations are so clever, so creative, and so inspiring that they might completely change the way you look at the clothing you already own. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and they are packed with inspiration for turning ordinary garments into something fresh, unique, and full of personality. As you watch, keep track of your favorite idea because I want you to vote for it in the comments, and let me know which transformation stands out the most. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can review these ideas, save your favorites, and explore even more upcycling and sewing inspiration. Some of these ideas involve simple changes, while others are dramatic transformations that hardly resemble the original clothing at all. My personal favorite is number 37, so make sure you stick around to see that one because I think it is especially creative. One of the things I love most about upcycling is that it encourages us to see possibilities where others see limitations. And these ideas are filled with examples of just how powerful creativity can be. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning transformation in my own style right here on MIZ ANGELA SAWYER. So get comfortable, start choosing your favorites, and let's jump into these 50 plus upcycled clothing ideas to see which ones inspire you the most. One of the reasons upcycling clothing is so meaningful is that clothing often reflects different chapters of our lives. When you look through a closet, you are not just looking at fabric, buttons, seams, and colors. You are often looking at memories, milestones, and moments that help shape who you are. Some pieces remind us of a favorite season, a special occasion, a job we once had, a hobby we loved, or even a version of ourselves that existed years ago. That is what makes clothing different from many other possessions. It carries stories. The interesting thing is that while some chapters come to an end, the clothing connected to those memories does not necessarily have to disappear. Upcycling gives those pieces an opportunity to begin a new chapter instead. Rather than seeing a garment as something that has reached the end of its usefulness, you begin to see it as something that still has potential waiting to be discovered. As you watch these ideas, think about how many items in your own closet may have stories attached to them. What makes upcycling so fascinating is that it allows us to preserve a connection to the past while creating something new for the future. The original piece may no longer fit your style, your needs, or your life, but parts of its story can continue in a different form. Here comes another really neat idea, and I love how it demonstrates that transformation does not erase history. Instead, it builds on it. The more you look at clothing this way, the easier it becomes to see value in things that might otherwise be overlooked. Keep watching because the next idea is especially creative and shows how even a familiar piece can take on an entirely new identity. Every garment has a story, And sometimes the most exciting part is deciding what the next chapter will be. Looking at clothing through that lens can make every creative choice feel more meaningful. Once you start thinking about clothing as a collection of stories rather than simply a collection of garments, upcycling begins to feel even more rewarding. Instead of focusing only on what something was, you start imagining what it could become next. That shift in perspective encourages creativity, resourcefulness, and a deeper appreciation for the things you already own. Every transformation becomes a reminder that change is not something to fear. That idea applies to clothing, but it also applies to creativity itself. Growth often happens when we are willing to reimagine possibilities rather than hold tightly to the way things have always been. And you are going to love this next one because it shows how a fresh perspective can completely redefine a garment without losing the character that made it special in the first place. The beauty of upcycling is that there is no single correct outcome. Every person sees possibilities differently, and that means every transformation carries a personal touch. Here is another great example coming up. And what makes it so interesting is how it takes something familiar and turns it into something unexpected. Ideas like these remind us that creativity is often less about having perfect skills and more about being willing to explore new directions. Before we move on, check out this next one because it is a fantastic example of how imagination can open doors that were hidden in plain sight all along. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you do not miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling ideas. There are also tutorial videos linked below that can help you build new skills and discover even more creative possibilities. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep looking for potential in the things around you. And when this video is over, there will be another video waiting for you on the screen to watch next, and I will see you there.